now we're creating latte art. It's a great way to be creative with your coffee and show off your barista skills to your friends. Latte art is created by the foam from your heated milk making a picture on the top of your coffee. A great latte art is created by a well-made espresso with a rich crema, smooth textured steamed milk, and a bit of pouring technique. The most simple shape to make is a heart. First, I canvas the espresso with a little bit of milk to balance the temperature and the acidity. Next, I fill the cup with a long stream of milk, mixing the espresso and keeping it enough foam in the jug for the latte art. Finally, I want to get a good angle on both the cup and the jug and come in nice and close to the coffee to allow the foam to pour out smoothly to create your design. And here we have our finished coffee with a nice heart design. It takes time and practice to get this right, so keep trying and make it fun. So now we're going to make our second design, which is going to be the tulip. First, we're going to canvas the espresso with a little bit of milk. This just helps to balance the temperature and the acidity. Next, we're going to fill the cup to about halfway with a long, thin stream of milk. This helps to mix the espresso and just fills the cup up, ready for our design. To create the design, you want to come in nice and close to the coffee and push from right to left. Get a nice angle on the jug, which will allow the foam to come deep into the cup. And here we have our finished coffee with a nice tulip design. It takes time and practice to get this right, so keep trying and make it fun. The next design I'm going to make is a rosetta. So first, I canvas the espresso with a little bit of milk to balance the temperature and the acidity. Next, I'm going to mix the espresso with a little bit of milk, filling the cup to about a third full. To make the rosetta, I'm going to come in close to the coffee, shake the jug from side to side whilst moving the jug to the right. And then I lift up and strike through the design. And here we have our finished coffee with a nice tulip design. It takes time and practice to get this right, so keep trying and make it fun.